一。
This is the full gases analyzer operation detail. First,
在30公分处。
this is a probe tube to contact with the probe and the equipment, and cut down it under 30 minutes.
然后这是那个过滤，然后这个箭头在这儿。
Contact with the filter with the probe. 应该是分离器吧？还是怎么回事？啊？
不是。这是。
Special felt paper， 这是特别的滤纸。
这是滤纸，第8个，这个是。
pro positive filter。
然后我这头。
Then contact with the probe tube with the sampling winch.
你别照我不雅的动作啊！
Contact one side of the tube with the sampling test, and one side with the probe. And the probe you should put directly to the lane of the sampling winch.
我是电源插上。开机。
Then open the equipment.
它是因为这也是实际测量时候第一次必须预热这10分钟。
And when you open the equipment, and the first time test, the first time measurement, you have to preheat for 10 minutes.
假如说就是用个半个小时什么的，在关机不超过半个小时之前就不用预热了，然后按闹钟退出。
If the equipment is not working for less than half an hour, you could directly press no to enter into the measurement directly.
这时候按 OK 键。
Then press OK keys to.
这是最后堵的这头点。
Then press OK key, and at the same time plug the probe tip. 堵一下看能拿过来。At the same time.
已经完了，过去。
进入哪个测量阶段是吗？
这是它自检，这是自检过程，自检开机的自检流程。
When you open the equipment, the first is while into the self-test.
是大约1分多钟吧。
It maybe needs 1 minute to self-test.
看清参与。没看跟那个一样。
In the operation of the first self-test, it will have the leaking test step, auto-zero step, and the end step is the HC remainder inspection.
然后
Then, when it enters into these manuals, it's finished.
你要是不是检测线的话，不联网的话，就可以直接进入第一项，然后第一个界面检测。
If you don't use it on the test line, you could press OK to enter into the first step test.
这是那个车牌号输入。
Put into the license of the plant of the car plant car.
咱给他操作吗？输入车牌号。
输入两个。
这是右键是确认键。
The right key is to make sure to enter.
左键是就是选择是这个数字或是英文字母的。
The left key is to choose the number or the English word. 上下键是数字的加减，还有 A B C D 就那个循环的数。 The up and down keys is to add the number or choose the A B C word.
然后，假如说输入完了，是不是车牌号输入完了，就说按 OK 键。
If the license of the plate is finished, just press OK to enter into the test menu.
这时候就把这个桶头，这个红帽拔起来。
At the same time, put off the right.
然后这时候把它插入汽车的排气。
And then put it into the car exhaust.
这时候按 OK 键，气泵启动。
Then press OK. The pump is start.
一直到这个二氧化碳的数值几乎没有什么变化的时候，稳定的时候。
When the second atom's number have no change.
这时候
对正好了是吗？
这是对。
Then the operation is finished. The test measurement operation is finished.
这个是打印是吧？
不是哪个打印呀？
按这个右键停止，然后左键是打印键。
Press the left key is to stop, and press the right key is to stop, and press the left key is to printer.
这是打印键。
This is the printer result with file cans over and letters and the other detail unit.
假如说出现零飘，是不是就零点不稳定的时候，退出，然后跟那个其他两个那个操作几乎
不是这个单独的，
我说
这个没关系。
选择第二项，调零。
If in the measurement it shows the zero flowing just exact and enter into the main menu. Choose the second items and calibration the auto zero.
时间也是一分钟。
Auto zero maybe need 1 minute to make sure it has not zero flowing.
我说它这提示下边有提示。
And if the operation is finished at the end of the LCD, will have notice. 什么呀？那就这个。
调零完毕以后，选择第3项仪器校准，按 OK 键。
After the zero test is finished, then choose the third item's calibration. In this calibration operation, it needs the standard gas.
然后拿标准器，在这个标准器入口，然后
And the first time, then put the standard gas on the standard winch. Maybe it's
行
need,，
冲一下什么
it
这
need 2 seconds.
数值显示。
The menu will have the number show.
也是在这个二氧化碳数值几乎就最后一位数值变动，这时候为准。
As when the second item's number it have no change, then the calibration is finished.
这时候按 OK 键，
Press OK.
出现光标以后，
It will show the light to
左右键移动光标，
and the left and right key is to move the light.
上下键是那个增加或减小这个数值，把
The
这个
up and down key is to add and to down the number.
把这个标准气体就这个数值输入的这上面。
And then put the standard gas number into the equipment.
这个探清，就是这个探清，也是把这个输入到里头，然后它显示的时候也是显示一半。
These items will also enter into the main menus, but the number will show half as this number.
行，输入完了以后，氧气也不用。
When all operation is finished, the oxygen is not need to calibration because the decade is imported from American and the number is a very accuracy.
然后按 OK 键。
And press OK to exact. 退出是吗？
你不用退出，按 OK 键，听到它有那个提示音的时候，蜂鸣器响的时候，哎。
Press OK when you hear a ring sound, then the calibration operation is finished.
这时候就行了。然后可以摁左，直接在这摁右键把气体排出。
And then press the right key to vent the gas.
这数值都归零以后，按 No 键退出。
When all the numbers show 0, then press No to exit.
就可以进入测试了。
Then it enters into the measurement.
那假如说要联网，然后这是那个设置。
The fourth item is setting 设置。Press OK. 这个是显示那个是。这是光显示，光源显示，估计是液晶人屏的光源。
调光，调它亮度。
The light setting is to change the light of the LCD. 那是日期。The two items is to set the date.
这是那个
打印，
不是，这是那个
数据。
就不是数据，一个是联网时候选的，对。这是本机的，然后这是打印，选择第二个是打印，就是联网时候用的。
You could contact to the internet if you choose the RS232.
在它就是要是上检测线，每次开机必须把它设置到它这。
If you want to use it on the test line, every time you have to choose the RS232. Then it could contact with the internet.
它默认的就是第一个这。
In normal, if you don't set, the equipment will remember the printer.
要是单机使用就不用了。
If you don't need to contact to the test line, you don't need to choose the RS232.
然后选择好了以后按 OK 退出。
When all operation is finished, press OK to exit.
这个是
就是
气缸数的，就是气缸数跟冲程数的选择。
The third item is to choose the 2 stars or 4 stars.
默认还是4冲程。
In normal, it will remember as 4 stars.
它默认是4冲程4气缸，咱仪器出厂。
When the equipment product is finished, it will remember as 4 star and 4 cylinder.
然后它选择好了，按 OK 就可以。
When you choose the suitable cylinders and stars, then press OK to exit.
然后第4项，这是什么意思？
方法。
就是那个怠速和双怠速的。
The 4 items is the test methods. You could choose the general or choose the 2-speed idle.
咱默认就是怠速。
In normals, the equipment will remember as general.
然后选择好了，按 OK.
Then when you choose the suitable one, press OK to exit. The fuel, 汽油。
这是燃料的选择。
The fuel items is you choose the suitable fuel. You could choose the gas, gas.
汽油跟天然气、液化气3种气体，3种燃料。然后选择对种，按 OK。
When you choose the suitable one, just press OK to exit. 最后一个时间测量。
它默认，你记住，这默认是气网。仪器默认是气。
The 4 items it will remember as gas oil.
6项是什么意思？
时间设置。
这时间设置。
The 6 items is the date. It's the date setting.
然后都设置好了以后退出就可以。
When all the details is setting finished, just press no to exit. 第五项是泄漏检查。
泄漏检查。
The 4 items is the leaking test.
它是检查仪器内部管路的是否有漏气。
It's to check whether the inside of the equipment have the equipment. Is to check the inside equipment the tube inside the equipment tube. To check whether the inside of the tube have any leak.
然后这时候堵住这个。堵住这个采样的这个。
Plug the sampling winch.
然后按 OK 键。
Press OK.
启动。
The pump is start.
这个是到20秒的时候。
When it shows 20 seconds, then stop, and take off the hinge from the winch.
到20秒的时候是。
行，我翻译完了。
它最后这会提示泄漏检查成功不成功。要是内部管路漏气的话，它会泄漏检查失败。
And last, the end of the indication will notice if the equipment tube is okay, it will show the passed. But if not, it will show the fail. In this operation, you could say the indication show passed. Then the inside tube have no problem.
按闹键。按 OK 键，过了就行。按 OK 键退出。
Then press OK to exit.
然后第6项。第6项是那个储存记录的查询。不是，第6项是版本。
The 6th item is the addition of the equipment.
行，那就第7项是
记录。
第7项是记录。
对。The 7 items is to check the recorders.
然后上下键是那个什么？上下键是
Press
查询
up
它的记录。
and down keys to choose the suitable recorders.
根据这提示操作就可以。
And you could operations for according to the end of the LCD. Then press no to exit.
没有都说了。
The all operation of the 4 gases and laser operation introduction is finished.